What is going on, guys? Alright guys, I don't know if you guys remember, I had this Voodoo crossbar rack that goes on the back of my bed. So I'm replacing those. I actually sold those not too long ago. Reason why I sold it is because those Voodoo racks, they rust over time. You don't want anything on your Jeep that looks like that. So I'm actually upgrading those Voodoo racks and replacing them with these BillieBars. So I found these online and they're actually really well made. What I like about these is they have rust protection. So on their guarantee, if there is any rust on your bars, they will replace it. So that's really good. And also I could already tell from the Voodoo and the BillieBars, these materials are really good. When I got the Voodoo racks out of the package, I could already, the powder coat is really light, but this one is, it's like rhino line basically. But yeah, they're really good. So all of them are really good. They're really coated. I don't think these are gonna rust, and if they do rust, they'll send me a new one, so that's good. And also the bar, I don't know if you guys remember Voodoo bars, they're actually steel. This is aluminum, so this is also not gonna rust. Also, I like the finish on this more than the Voodoo. I'm not trying to bash Voodoo, but these are the better crossbars you could get. They're a little bit pricey. I believe I paid in total of $800 with the MOLLE panels. Also, what I like about BillieBars is you have these MOLLE panels that goes on the side of our towers. So you can mount rotor packs, you can mount max tracks, high lift jack, and you could put this on both sides. I only got one for one side. I'm not really gonna do a tutorial on this. If you guys watch my Voodoo, how to install the Voodoo racks, they're actually the same thing. So you have these that goes on inside your bed and it kind of holds on to your towers. That's about it, and then you attach those bars on top of that. If you guys need help installing these, they're the same as the Voodoo racks. I'm gonna link the video so you guys could watch that. It's all the same MOLLE panels because that's the only thing different about it, and also the crossbars. Instead of the comfort knobs, I have two security screws that you screw in. Alright guys, I just finished up installing the BillieBars crossbars and also their MOLLE panels. I attached my water port here. I'm gonna have Rotopax mounts here and put a Rotopax can. That's what it looks like. MOLLE panels, so you could mount max tracks, you could mount high lift jacks, and also check out the finish. So this is the water port mount. You can see the powder coat, it's already like getting scratched. You won't have a problem here on the BillieBars. Let's look on the other side. So I ordered another MOLLE panel mount here so I could put my max tracks that I also ordered. So I'm gonna put max tracks and also a shovel on this side, and then in the future have a rooftop tent on here. So yeah guys, so definitely go check out BillieBars. I would definitely recommend this over the Voodoo rack, and hope you guys like this video. If you guys need help installing these bars, I'm gonna put the link in the description for the Voodoo rack I installed. Only difference is this bar sits on it rather than it being wedged into the Voodoo bar. So that's it. And then you got these two lock bolts. All right, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below, email us or DM us on Instagram, and I'll get back to you guys. So hope you guys like this video. It's not really an install video, but just to show you the quality of these BillieBars. See you guys on the next one. Peace.